Yet another random shipment. Isn't this awesome? I just keep getting opportunities to unboxing. So let's unbox this Nintendo Switch. The new one, not the new Nintendo Switch, not the old one. Wow. Immediately with that box. You have the Joy-Con. Just imagine using it like this. Another Joy-Con. I'm gonna put the Switch, try to put that to the side. On the housing for the Switch. And then oh, I love this. The dock. Look at this. Put the Switch in there. And we have the Joy-Con grips. Does anyone actually put the Joy-Con in the Joy-Con grips? Comment down below. We have our cables and stuff. Look at that plastic. And the Joy-Con straps. And that's in the box. And then we have the Switch housing itself. Okay. Epic fail. Ouch. And yeah, thanks for watching. Switch unboxing, a random shipment. It's with the Joy-Con. Yep. Thanks for watching.